Hello everyone, welcome to SSWW Sanitary Ware. Now please allow me to have a brief introduction for our company. Established in 1994, and so far we have already 4 factories and 2,000 workers in China. All this year, we produce nice products of jacuzzi, steam room, accessory hardware, shower enclosure, vanity, toilet, and so on. And so far, we have already walked into 107 countries in the world and received popular recognition. Back to the days why the smart toilet was not that smart just because it has sophisticated that kind of remote control, something like this. And later, we even simplified it with something with the pictures on, something like this. But this year, we decided to make it more easier for you, which we create the smart knob. So let's see what will happen this year. So when you sit on the seat, now this time you can let go of all the remote control. What we need to control is only the smart knob. Slide to the front and then you will see the beaded will come out. And then it will do the cleaning. And after that, it will have the smart knob again. And then you see the air dry. And one more little click, there will come the automatic flush. Also the same function, now we slide to the back. And then you will see for the hip cleaning function will come out. Self-cleaning first and then the jet will come out. They will do the cleaning and also one more push for the back. You will see the air dry. Same little click, that will come the auto flush. So that was so easy, everybody want an easy life, isn't it? Over the century, humans benefit good health from the bathing culture. And back to the modern times, engineers even will add more exciting function for it, such as an FM radio, Bluetooth for music, and massage and bubble bath. And this year, we even create the champagne bubble bath. Now all you need to do is turn on the massage. So at this time, only you need to turn on the massage function and the bubble bath function that will come with the champagne bubble bath. This function will knock the water into very small pieces, and also it can add more air inside the water. And also with the beautiful colorful LED function, will make your body and soul all calm down. As a shower vanity, it definitely plays a very important role in a bathroom. It either can match very perfectly for your wall tile and floor tile, or either it can pop up the style which you want to create for your bathroom. So from the front, and then you will see the LED light, which will make the whole design more modern. And also you have the open shell and the inner shell. And for the panel, this time we chose something very special, which is a Volcano Candle. And it will after the 3 layers of oil to make it more waterproof. And for the main trunk, we are using not the sharp edge, and then also all the design make it so elegant. All the wood is solid wood, and after that we put the 7 layers of the painting to protect it. So you can see the main tone for this design is Safari Blue. It looks very quiet and very calm and mysterious. So that's all for today's SSWW Sanitary Ware for new launch product, and we hope to see you soon.